welcome back to my channel. And as you saw that I cooked Indian style fried rice. Actually, it's an Indian style vegetarian fried rice, so it looks so yummy already. So let's dig in. And I also put the cheese on top, give it a more flavor. So let's get started. Mm. Mm. Yummy! So I also added the smoked tofu in here, smoked spicy sriracha tofu. So just to give it a kick to the, just to give it a chicken kind of kick, you know. Mm. My food is ah. Ow. Ow, ow. I love tofu. I love it. I mean, the flavors I have added in here is so epic. Oh. Mm. Yummy. So nice. So previously, like they look so spicy to me, so I decided to add some more rice in here to make it a little mild. Mm. See the tofu? It really gives a nice texture to it, and the green pepper, like they are so crunchy. So nice. I love the tofu in here. Like I literally feel like I'm having the, chicken. I think this is pressed tofu, the thick one. It feels like I'm having chicken literally. I also wanted to add eggs in it, but I ran out of eggs and I don't have eggs at home anymore, so I decided to put tofu in it, and I mean literally it was a great idea to put tofu in it. So this is my first time including tofu in my fried rice. I usually add tofu in my soups, homemade soup. See, the tofu is so thick. The tofu is literally so thick. Mm. Mm. And this cheese is the Swiss cheese, so it's kind of giving me like a sweet flavor to it. Mm. Mm. Literally, like, I can't eat anything without drinking. I have to drink something. I know it's not very good, but mm. Mm. So these are basmati rice I added in the fried rice. I wanted to use the jasmine rice, but at this moment I just had fried rice, so I used fried rice, guys. Ow. Mm. So guys, what's up with you? I know I was so hungry eating because I was so hungry. And now I'm asking you, after like half of the video, I'm asking you, what's up with you guys? I know. So I'm going outside to do some shopping today. And guess what? I'm shopping. Hmm. It's my phone. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, I was saying to guess what I'm gonna shop today. I'm gonna shop my Halloween dress today. Yes, I'm gonna shop my Halloween dress. So I am thinking to be which I'm actually not very sure what to do. I mean, what to become, what to dress, how to dress. Actually, it's like my first time celebrating Halloween. So I'm still not sure what to buy, what not to buy. But I'm gonna shop something, some makeup, some face paint, and yeah, everything related to my look. So I'm gonna be devil or maybe something, I saw on internet that if you check out the Dulce Candy channel, actually, yeah, I wanted to tell you, sorry, I literally forgot. If you check out the Dulce Candy channel on YouTube, the last video she made about the Halloween look. So I'm gonna try to do the same kind of look on Halloween. But the only thing I could do different is the dress. Or she used actually the pink paint on the chin and the eye area. So pink and purple. So I will try to do the red color, because the choker I'm gonna wear, I saw the choker I'm gonna buy. So the choker has that red color rose flower. So I'm gonna use red color instead of, pink color. So on 30th, oh sorry, on 31st of October, we all have to dress up. So I'm thinking to dress up, I just decided. So I'm gonna dress up on 31st to my workplace. Instead of getting dressed up, I decided to do the makeup. So that I could represent the Halloween thing, to do the makeup. So I got this a small kit, something, it was like a cat makeup. So this has this ears here on my face. I will try to put my picture in this video if I could. So that was actually a really cute look. To me, I felt like, oh my god, without even spending more money on things, I could do this much, and literally everybody liked my look. So even now, I'm thinking to do something with makeup instead of buying the dress just for a few hours. But let's see. So I will put my picture, what I did last time to create a cat look. I mean, not a catty cat look. It was a cute cat look actually. I will- I mean, I know you're gonna like it too. That was very simple yet cute look. So here people do like, they are very creative, they are very thoughtful about the Halloween. I actually have no idea why do you guys celebrate Halloween, but to me it's kind of fun to dress up. So I don't know the history, but I really like people how they dress up. I mean, so thoughtful, so creative. And there is a girl on my workplace. She is getting ready from last 1 month, I think, and she is so creative that I didn't know, and she is creating new look every day. And I was like, how do you even take time to create this look like every day? I mean, if you give me to me, I'm so lazy person. Like if you ask me to spend half an hour on doing that look, makeup look, and or if you give me a chance that I could sleep half an hour more, I would choose to sleep rather than creating that look. I mean, she has 3 kids, and I was like, how do you take time? Like you have 3 kids. My phone. Hmm. If you're wondering why I'm checking my phone, because 7 minutes back I got my notification on my phone that my website, which is girlexplorer.com, is not loading. After 7 minutes, I got the notification that my girlexplorer.com is back up. So that's its notification is all about. Hmm. If you want to check out my website, it's girlexplorer.com, and I know it's the totally different concept of mukbang, and that website is all about, it's a kind of blog, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle blog, because I started blogging in since 2012. Yeah. 2012, yeah. So since that day, I'm blogging on my website as well as mukbanging with you guys. Because I still love my website, but I wanted to do something new rather than just writing. So I decided to do this mukbang. Mm. You know what? To be honest, either I like spicy or either I like cheesy. If you include both, it's not my thing. It's not my flavor. So to be honest, if I could remove cheese from my rice, I would definitely remove my cheese. I don't know if this cheese I'm not liking with this flavor, with this whole flavor, but I'm literally not liking this cheese. It gives me sweet flavor, which I really don't want it to. I wanted my rice to be spicy, savory. I don't want them to be sweet. And because of this melted Swiss cheese, it's giving me sweet flavor, which I'm not a very big fan of sweet flavor in my rice. So next time if I make fried rice, I'm not gonna use cheese in it. Cheese is my all-time favorite, but there has to be something specific. So if you talk about wings, I like my wings spicy. I can eat cheesy sauce or cheese with chicken. My chicken has to be spicy. My fried rice has to be spicy. So cheesy, I like it. Pasta could be cheesy. I can eat cheese pasta. But if I'm eating something spicy, it has to be spicy or either it has to be cheesy. So I think I made a mistake of putting cheese in it, but next time, no. Oh, mm. So that's it for today, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed my tofu fried rice today, cooking and eating both. If you really like this video, just hit the like and subscribe button. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are already following me, just click the thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that you know every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.